Hello guys, welcome to LiteFinance. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can place your trade, analyze your trade inside the LiteFinance platform without using your trading view, your MT4 or MT5 or any other trading platform, CTrader or whatsoever. So now the first thing you need to do is to log into your LiteFinance. That will take you to this home page. Then you click on trade. By default it's already on trade. So first thing you need to do is to click on your currency pair. We have different currency pairs, so you can choose to trade cryptocurrency, commodity and the rest. So let's say you want to trade commodity like gold. Let me click on gold. So the first thing I need to do is to check my time frame. So let me analyze this market with a daily time frame. Then if you want to analyze it, you can actually make it a full screen. And if you need any of these trend line to draw your trend, for example, let's look at this trend line. You can decide to draw your trend and see if just your normal analysis, depending on the analysis that you are using. If you are using price action, you want to use trend lines to know where the trend is going, right? And once you are done with your analysis, you want to place your trade. It's pretty simple. So like I said, you need to pay attention to your time frame. This is where you get all your time frame. If I want to change it from candlestick to bar to line, you have so many of them. Let's click it, change it to line. You can see our line here is currently showing on our chart. So this is a line, chart, and you can move it backward or forward depending on how we want. You can move it forward, we can move it backward, and we can also zoom in and zoom out. This is like zoom in and this is like zoom out. We can zoom it as big as we want. Then let's take it back to our candlestick. This is our candlestick, so we can also zoom in and also zoom out with our candlestick. So this is pretty cool, guys. So for example, I have a friend that I want to show this analysis to. I can also do a snapshot and download it and send it via WhatsApp, and like, can you check this analysis for me if I should place a buy or a sell. So once you're done with all of this analysis and you want to go back to place your trade, you can just make it small like this. Then you see open trade. This is the session that we are after, open trade. Note, if you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, you click on sell. So the beautiful part is that I don't really need to set my stop out and my take profit. If I put the amount that I want to make, it will just take me to that level. So for example, let's do the practical. You see, let me start with the volume of a trade, 0.01. Leave the trade at 0.01. Let me click on closing condition. Take profit. Let's say I want to make $20 and I want to lose, let's say, $7. Let's say $7. Let's set it at, okay, let's set it at 10 though. So this is 10. So if you see, it has already placed the take profit level and the stop loss level for the sell. And once I click on sell, automatically you see our sell trade. We are actually selling right now, and gold is selling currently, and we are making 56 cents. So if I want to edit it, I can also come to edit and change my take profit and my stop loss level, and you click on apply. This is really cool. This is really cool, guys. So you don't have to sign in your LiteFinance account or MT4 or MT5 before you place your trade. You can actually trade inside the LiteFinance platform. So basically, whatever strategy you are using, you can also place trade with it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you in our next video.